most of the so-called influencers, they don't influence anything. What's up YouTube, welcome back to today's video, and today I'm going to talk about how I monetize my YouTube channel. I didn't do it purposely, it was just an outcome of consistency. So keeping it short and simple, I'm just going for a solo breakfast ride. All of a sudden subah aankh khul gaya mera 4 baje and I'm like, okay, maybe I should go. Rather than calling someone, I just made a straight away plan. So I'm sorry guys if you're not a part of this plan. Sometimes it's good to go solo. Now coming back to today's video, how to monetize your YouTube channel and how to meet the numbers. वो numbers कैसे meet करते हैं, और not just that, most importantly is working on your content, working on your genre that you have for your YouTube channel. So मैं इसके बारे में बहुत simple जो मैं experience मेरा था related to this channel, I'll share it with you. The first and foremost thing is that आपको दिमाग से हटा देना है कि there's anything called like monetization. अगर आप का प्राइमरी पर्पस है यूट्यूब ज्वाइन करना पैसा कमाने के लिए, तो आई थिंक यू आर इन द रॉन्ग ट्रैक. there are ways you can do that. There are channels which will teach you how to do that in few months, but if your intention is primarily to make money out of YouTube, then maybe you should watch the channel, not mine. I'm gonna keep it simple and I'm gonna keep it honest how it works, how I actually, you know, मेरा watch hours meet हो गया. So I'll teach you about that. It's almost 6:30 AM in the morning. Coming to the next part, that is oh by the way, YouTube is not my primary source of income, nor I intend to in future. Point number 2 is how do you meet the watch hours, because watch hours लगता है बहुत कम. For a beginner it's not easy, trust me. And how do you actually meet that? Meeting that is very for me, took me 1 year, almost 1 year. Almost 1 year to reach that number. And मैं कभी, trust me, मैं कभी चेक ही नहीं किया. मैंने पिछला 6-7 months तो मैंने मतलब घूम के देखा ही नहीं कि कितना ये हुआ है, सब्सक्राइबर्स तो या एक्चुअली फॉर बिगिनर्स sometimes subscribers is like, okay चलो मेरा इतना कम subscribers है, ये है वो है. But if you're working on your content, if it is quality content and if you're working on it, then trust me, it will gradually grow to the point, so you don't have to worry about it. Audience के लिए क्या कर रहे हो अपने videos से? Are you just entertaining them or solving any problems? For me it's like, you know, I'm trying to educate motorcyclists. Not just that, I have a lot of other content, MotoVlogs I would say. It's like not just this same old kind of daily vlogs or something, but मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि मेरे वीडियोस से कोई कुछ किसी को कुछ सीखने मिले. और if they want, so that is my genre. Your genre could be anything. So आप उस हिसाब से आपको अपने चैनल सेट करना है, उस हिसाब से आपके वीडियोस को बनाना है. That was point number 2, meeting the watch hours. And how do you do that? You have to be consistent in the initial days at least. आप अगर जैसे मैं बता रहा हूँ, I used to upload a video every week. Doesn't mean it's just any shitty video or any bad video or any horrible video. थोड़ा बहुत आपको रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा, मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. And after that only you can actually, it will be good for you. बहुत easy होगा आपको जब आप एक बार आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि आपके ऑडियंस क्या है. It's not just like you're just uploading anything every week and you know no one's watching. ऐसा नहीं रखना है, दिमाग से वो हटा देना है. So that was point number 2, watch hours. Now the third point is 1000 subscribers. How do you get them? अगर आपको अपना ऑडियंस पता चल गया है, trust me, it's gonna be very easy. You just need to have patience. It's not about always begging everyone to subscribe, or I mean sometimes yeah, आपको करना पड़ेगा, but it's good if you have your own audience. Like I have my motorcyclist enthusiasts. It's not going to be easy if you're starting from a single cylinder, trust me. Unless you have your content is way different or you're doing very good travel vlogs or something, बहुत मुश्किल होगा. Because YouTube audience is like that only. आपको जो दिखता है, the more you show off on YouTube, the more you actually gonna grow. The more you brag, the more you lie on YouTube, the more you're gonna grow. So that's how the audience is. I mean, our audience, Indian audience. Point number 4: how do you promote your channel? I do it from Facebook and Instagram. You can grow your audience on Instagram as well, parallel to YouTube. And actually I'm focusing more on Instagram nowadays rather than doing just YouTube videos, because I know YouTube takes a lot of effort. आपको अपना time निकाल के आपको पूरा script ready करना पड़ता है. You have to edit. Editing takes time, hours. For Instagram it's like so simple. I just shoot on my Insta360 X2, make some reels and just post it like daily. That's it. There's nothing more. Like, okay, in Instagram also you can have a good audience who are actually learning from you, but most of the so-called influencers, they don't influence anything. Anyways, I don't want to roast them right now. This is not the roast video. So that was about subscribers, watch hours and promotion. I do personally, if you search MotoZoh on Google, you're gonna see my first channel, my first picture, my first everything is gonna be my, like, I'm gonna be there on top. Another thing is that try to keep it simple. Because problem क्या होगा अगर आप suppose 1-2 महीने में एक वीडियो डालोगे, it's gonna take a while. That's my personal suggestion. It's good if you are consistent. Don't upload too many videos that are unnecessary also. Save it for your audience. पहला चीज़ है कि genre पे work करो, what kind of audience you are actually attracting, and उसके बाद ही आप अपना like script, video का बहुत सारा parts होता है. Like if you just research on it, if you work hard on it rather than copying someone, you'll actually gain a lot of popularity on YouTube. Another thing is that मेरा और एक point है मैं ऐड करना चाहता हूँ कि you need to have a mentor. I mean, you need to have someone who inspires you actually. For me, there are many. I would say Augie Fernandez, Royal Jordanian, and Ironic Rebound. I would not forget that guy. अभी आप शायद अनुराग सलगावकर का देखते होंगे vlogs. If you search Ironic Rebound, he actually, I don't know, like उसका सबसे पहला अगर आप देखोगे 6-7 साल 8 साल पुराना भी vlogs है उसका, MotoVlog. He used to use those emojis and between the videos, so someone inspires somebody. So you need to have a mentor, and not just that, आपको अपने audience का सुनना है. You need to listen to your audience. If you think that someone is saying ki bro, you shouldn't do this, you should add this, you should add that, you should actually listen to him or her. It actually works on me, works on my part, and I would suggest you to do the same rather than having an ego. Oh, I'm making the videos, मैं videos बना रहा हूँ. मैं videos बना रहा हूँ, why should I listen to someone else? Don't do that. It's good to listen to your audience actually. So that's all guys. If I forget, I don't know if I forgot something or not. I think I pretty much covered everything. So that's how I monetize my YouTube channel, and currently I have an earning of I think it was like $60 or something, 60-70 monetized in December. So that's all guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and we'll see you again in the next video.